What's up guys, it's Scar here, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I've got the past video for you guys. I will be showing you guys a few weapons that we've gotten from the past. And I think I will start with the very first one, which is the Kilo. And we got this from the from the past, and the iron sight on the front is slightly smaller than the actual one, so as much as it looks like the default Kilo sight, it's not. It's a bit smaller in front, but that is the only difference. This is kind of how the gun looks. It does look really nice, and for a Kilo skin I would say this is nice. There's another one that we got before, which is this one. This is also really nice, especially the suppressor. But the iron sights are the official default Kilo ones. As you guys can see, there's a bigger, like, frontal sight. I don't know what you guys would call that. But when you come to this one, it's not that big. So that is the only difference with the Kilo. The other gun is the M16, which I already had equipped, and is the gun I will be using to be showcased, at least because I've been willing to use this gun for quite a while, and especially that it's getting a skin now, I'm so happy. So this is my build, and I know I have to be a bit kind of explosive with it, but I have to slow down a lot because of its reload time. But those 48 bullets should help. I do have a pistol, just in case I may not hit my shots, and I do have this. This is another skin that we got from the past. It's an Arctic skin, and I will be trying this. I'm not too good with the Arctic, but I'll give it a try. Why not? And just to make it better, we'll do that. Excuse me. The last skin that we did get is the Switchblade, and I will be doing that as well. It is here, and I will be using the mythic one. Obviously, I'll redo that, sorry. So yeah, for this is my build. You could choose between this one and granulated. I'm technically okay with this because I'm not really using a Ranger foregrip. But if you're using a Ranger foregrip, then use granulated here. You don't really need to have so much control. I'm using it to gain some control there, because when you switch to this, it's 42 control. You could still do with 42 control, but hey, everybody's playstyle is different, and that is my playstyle. So we will be starting with the M16, just because I've really been wanting to start with this. And it's Nuketown. Okay, not bad. Might be a bit bad with the controls, but hopefully... Okay, for a second I thought that... Okay, it is glitched, if you guys can see the top there. Okay, so it still does have its little flint. But we still got the sniper. Nice. I need to get that one more person there. No, he's gonna get me. Oh no, he got me. Okay. I see her. Not bad. Respect. Ooh, he is DLQ. Nice. Okay, well. He got me again. No. I hate campus like that. And also that thing is quite distracting. The little glitch there. No, there's one right there. Really? Bots, come on. You had to walk right in front of me. I bet you nobody dies. Yep.
Lost the lead.
Okay. This build is technically for long range, and I shouldn't really be pushing. But I think we're doing okay. Woo! Yep, I knew that was there. No, the second player again. They keep baiting the bots and then getting these things. And our bots won't be able to do shit. But it's fine. First half.
Lost Alpha. Heads up, enemy UAV losing his fight.
This dude is always next to me, but he always dies. And I always get blocked by him.
Pick it up, team. Capture the objective. Enemy taking A. Enemy has Alpha. We captured Charlie. We lost the lead.
Okay, now that's the scary part.
Predator missile inbound.
No.
Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted.
When does he push? Oh my god.
Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed.
That was like great timing these guys
Enemy
always have.
airstrike incoming. Be
It's a
careful.
bit sus.
We're capturing B.
PPM.
Hostile sentry gun in your AO.
Okay. I forgot to get my EMP. Oh no, I do have it. Nice.
Taking hole inbound.
That is much better.
Enemy has B.
No VTOL, really.
Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed.
No! Wow, this person is blind. Right next to me, but can't see the person shooting me.
Heads up.
Okay.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Well, doesn't everybody love lobbies like this? I actually want to see how much damage I could do to this thing. Not much, okay. It would be cool to see that you could shred the VTOL with the claw.
Friendly airstrike incoming. Capturing A. Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted.
Ooh, CBR. Of course. Not a bad gun. People say got nerfed, I still say it's nice. It's still doing good. QQ9 is buffed, for everybody that don't know. Things normally amazing this season. I still like this build. This build feels nice. I'm getting like the headshots that I do need to get. And overall I like it. I don't like how this dude played. The enemy was so annoying. I hate people who just spam score streaks. Well, 18 kills. I can still take 18 kills. That's good. Well, the next gun obviously will be this. The Arctic. Now this lobby is probably going to be way more toxic. Of course, now they give me shipment. But thankfully it is bots, so hopefully I could be big, like quick scoping and stuff. Okay, we're already in. This is not good news. Okay, that's one. It's a bit harder to quick scope with this, honestly. I'm not even kidding. Oh my god, it is way harder. Way harder. This is so not like the DOQ days. Yep. I really miss stopping power. Those days were nice. Okay, I think so far we're fine. Nope, I still can't shoot. Oh shit. I don't know, there's something weird about the sight. It's like it's super zoomed in.
Target in sight. Contact losing Alpha. Losing B. Target in sight. Objective almost complete.
Nope, can't snipe for Arctic. Oh god. Well, I guess it's the monolithic that is screwing me up.
Tango down.
I'm not sure.
Losing Bravo. Losing C. Losing A. Enemy contact.
Of course.
Losing
I have to
B.
reload right then on me.
Charlie. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
I can't.
Online.
Oh my god, I can't. I actually can't with this. I have 5 kills.
Ready for the next round.
Why is this person talking?
Capture the objectives. Capture enemy taking Bravo.
Okay, so far at least those were good.
Enemy taking A. We captured Charlie. Enemy has A.
Okay, so you have to be really straight with this. Come on. Headshot, obviously. I love the bots when they do that. They just jump and get a headshot.
Enemy taking B. Losing Charlie. Captured enemy has B. It's on team B. Enemy UAV spotted. We're capturing Bravo. Losing Alpha. Captured Bravo. Losing Bravo. We lost A. Heads up. Losing C. UAV spotted. Losing B.
Okay, I think the kind of barrel I'm currently using for this map, at least, because it's a short map,
Losing
kind of
Bravo.
good. It's just the bots move a lot.
Stealth
Yep,
chopper
see?
inbound.
As soon as they see a sniper, they just start doing the little snake
Losing
movement.
C.
Again,
Losing B.
and once again. If it was a real player, they would just stand there, obviously,
Losing Bravo.
like that.
Captured A.
But once they're looking at you, you can't really get them. And I think hit flinch is something you may want to add, because
Target down. Losing A.
the hit flinch is really high. Like, my bullets just fly above their head, and I'm literally aiming at their body. M13, obviously. Yep. In the Switchblade time, they're still using the M13. Well, that's technically the past weapons. And now for the Switchblade, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people have been waiting for this, but I won't be doing the mythic one, honestly. I will be making another video for that. I think I will do we can use this build. I will make one for the pass weapon because I do need to give that one some justice. It is a nice skin. And overall, this gun, when you use it in this mode, when it's stock, because I actually still have that saved. Yes, I call it the pre-mythic because obviously I knew I was going to get it. So yeah, this is technically literally the build I was using. As you guys can see, granulated grip, it's not the rubberized, and it's Ranger foregrip. Literally all things that I have are almost the same on all my other sets. So let's see. This is technically how it comes from the pass. This is how they gave us the attachments. I kind of don't like these attachments, so I went ahead and made my own, which is this. Now you could change this for the Ranger foregrip. It depends on how you play. This is supposed to be a really fast build, especially if you're using these iron sights. I don't think you should avoid Sleight of Hand. It is really helpful. You guys will see how fast it is and just how accurate you could be and you have to be with this, especially if you're someone who's using gyroscope and you use a mobile. This gun could be a bit hard to work with, but if you're like a tablet person and you have good area to move, this could be fun to use.
Capture the objective, taking Charlie. We captured A as C. Captured B.
Okay, at least I still got him. I didn't know I was getting shot by players. Okay, they just... I don't mind, man. You could die and take my bullets, that's fine. Oh yeah. I do like that little charm down there. I know you can't really see it as much maybe now. I like it. I like that it also shows up as the, like, gun image. Obviously this gun's not so super long range. Why do I try it? Because you do need long shots with this. Not too much though. This gun is fun. Honestly, it is. No! If I had just pre-aimed. CBR, everybody's still using that. I can never actually like tolerate people who use a holographic. I don't know why this person exists in this lobby. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Use a red dot. Why do you have to use a holographic? Oh my god, I should have died if that was a blue player, honestly. Okay. Okay. Ooh, right there.
Nice work. It's the next round.
I would say, I think the little help is that little green sights that we get and the stock gun doesn't have, which is just red.
Capture the enemy taking Alpha.
I think that's a bit helpful.
Enemy has Alpha C.
But other than that, I don't think there's much of a difference besides the skin. Oh god. I need to hit these shots. And I need to get her too. Okay. She's always watching backs. I need to watch that.
We're capturing Bravo. Need backup. Target down. Stealth chopper in. Captured B.
Oh no, not the dog.
Hostile threat.
Oh no, come on. Sundry. Okay, I need my EMP again. Thankfully I carry it these times, like, there's a lot of people using sentries. There we go, thank you, you can just end. One, two, three, four.
Missile on standby. Losing B. Lost Bravo. Friendly Predator missile inbound. We're capturing B. already. EMP system capturing Alpha.
Obviously, after so long. Well, EMP, thank you.
System swarm activate.
This is not a bad gun. It's a good skin, I'd say. Well, guys, that's probably it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy the pass, and this is probably all the weapons in the pass. I did also show you guys how the claw works. That is the new operator that we get. I mean, the operator skill. Here it is, right here. As you guys can see, the bullets bounce. That's why it's really OP. I would pretty much see that getting used a lot, even in ranked. It's a very broken operator skill, and watch out for it. It's going to get really toxic this season for ranked. You're going to see a lot of those, so be very geared up for them. But otherwise, guys, stay smiling, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to stay tuned. I will drop a mythic video Thursday, okay? Thursday, it's not far. Thursday for sure, mythic comes out with the complete kills. And you guys will see a little secret that I've also unlocked. But I'm not going to spoil anymore. Bye, stay smiling.